the side of the road. We're not on the side of the road. We're at a rest stop. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. But we're in North Carolina. Oh, we're in North Carolina, and we just pulled over for a second because one, I had to pee. But I mean, look at this. I mean, it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna finish the rest of the way. Are you driving? Are you driving? You driving? All right. Let's get back in the car, and then probably next time I pick up the camera, we'll be at the event. So, all right, made it to Newport. We're room 151. So let's see what we got going here. I already see some other rally folks. Oh, very nice. Let's see, what else we got here? Let's turn on the lights. What the hell? Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty nice. I mean, Best Westerns. The reason why I picked it is for Lando, really. Where the hell is the... I can't damn see. Okay. The commode. We're here, Newport Speedway. Cover some rally.
Connor just even. Travis and Bree are in a limited Subaru. Less suspension.
Why rally? Why pick a rally car?
Dude, I think rally, you get to drive more than any other sport. Every other sport's about the start, or it's about the racing, which I love racing, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But rally. All right.
Day 2 of the Overmountain Rally last night was kind of nuts. I did not get back home till like 11:30. So we're about to go drop off Lando with the pet sitter. One thing that I've really enjoyed about this trip is the fact that, you know, shout out Best Western for allowing dogs. Also shout out Rover for having, you know, enough pet sitters in the area to where I could just drop Lando off. If I wasn't able to find a pet sitter, I probably would not have brought him, but he's been great. We played around in the hotel last night. He went on a walk this morning. There's a lot of new smells, a lot of interesting stuff. He got to do a car ride through the mountains. You got to see some mountains. You got to see some mountains. He's like, I don't know what that is, Dad. What's a mountain? I love having him next to me. We are on stage, and I say we. I got my mentor, JJ, back here. He is a professional drone videographer, and one of the cool things about this rally, or this motorsport event, is that me as a red vest who's never done this before can tag along with someone who's shot ARA events before, so that way I'm not going into this blind, because it is a lot to learn, even with someone who has pretty extensive motorsport experience. This is completely new to me. They're going to be coming down this road. We're going to get some good shots. No, I'm... You're good, you're good. never good when they're moving like that. That is not good. I'm hoping everyone's all right, but that is not a good sound when they're moving like that. Here comes the forestry truck. Not good. They have shut the stage down due to an emergency event. Hopefully everyone's all right, but that is not a good sign on the first actual stage. That's not good. So I'm gonna go hang out with, I'm gonna go see what JJ has figured out. The scary thing for him is a good friend of his and his client was on stage at the time, so we believe it's his car, but we're hoping it's not. So let's go see what's going on. I hope y'all see the vision like I see the vision. I'm here in a pretty nice corner, 15mm fisheye. We'll see what we get. This is the part of rally that's kind of fun, is I gotta hike up to my spot. But I'm happy that we're actually out on stage today, because yesterday they said it was going to be at a certain time and then they called it like 40 minutes early, or maybe 20 minutes early. The other thing is I hope I don't break any gear by falling. But we're trying to get back this way. But sometimes in the woods, to go right, you need to go left. How am I going to get over there? Whoa. There's a little bit of a clearing here. Right here is where I'm probably going to set up. The only part about this spot is that it is quite treacherous. Got my little ear hanging out. Let me hide that. I don't want y'all knowing I have those. Because it is straight down if I lose balance. Like, it's pretty treacherous. They had hazards on. It sounded like their car sounded like they had an issue. So let's hope it's nothing too bad. So I got all of the interesting stuff that I wanted. But this is why I love rally like this. This is crazy. Someone else already coming? But I found this little cut right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like an outline of what I'm looking at. And I've been getting some pretty decent shots. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. I'm in a river. I didn't fall here, but I see a spot. But I am in a river. All right, that's this stage done. We're gonna pack out of here. Moving so he can get the car up out of the thing.
Is there another car coming?
No, that's up above us.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And we're gonna get out and go to the next stage. This is a sick spot up here, dude. But I believe there was an incident, and the only way to get to the next stage is through here. So they did a safety sweep, and they had cars transit that were not at racing speed. So that was that. So we're gonna get out of here. Location number 2 for the day. This spot's nutty. This spot is crazy. Wide open, coming out of the corner, down, going into here.
It all starts somewhere, bro. That's why I started my very first drone. My dad bought as a joke from a Kohl's clearance bin. It was like some piece of shit, little teeny tiny drone that flew wherever the fuck it wanted to, man. But it got me fired up, dude. So after that, I wanted a real drone. So I couldn't afford the Mavic Pro. It was like in 2015, so I couldn't afford the Mavic Pro. So I went online to eBay and bought a bunch of broken ones and learned how to, I went to YouTube and learned how to like essentially Frankenstein one together. And so I actually started my drone repair business like from doing that. So I actually own a drone repair business as well back home in Austin.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's called Mavic Medic. And so
Credit to you.
This thing's quick. What? Jesus. That's rally done. I'm gonna go pick up Lando. We have a 4-hour drive ahead of us. It is currently 8:30. I'm not gonna get home until midnight 30. But I gotta power through this. So I got me an energy drink to be able to get home. I don't feel tired, but it's just like that's a long drive. It's about 3.5, 4 hours. So we're gonna go pick up Lando. But yeah, that's the rally, man. That was insane. I'll probably talk about it when I get home or not. This will be the end of the video. So I will see y'all later probably. Or you might see me again in 10 seconds. I don't know. All right.